Checkpoint 6.9, identify correct errors. So we have a method 1 and method 2. There are several issues we need to consider. The first one here, line number 13. Okay. If you look at next method number 2, we have a return type. Okay. So there is a match the return type integer value 1, 0, -1. Okay. It doesn't have a return type. That means we have to use a keyword called void. Okay, that's the one mistake. And if you look at the formal parameter, there is a data type, and M doesn't have a data type. Okay, formal parameter comes with a data type. So let's say integer. Okay, so let's say if you have a main method, you can use method number 1 passing integer and then another integer. Okay, so integer. So that's the integer and then integer. So in this case, we are adding m plus equal to m. Okay, in the methods, this is what we call as an actual parameter 3.4. Okay, which is double value. But if you look at here, formal parameter n as an integer data type should be matched with the actual parameter. So let's change double. For method number 2 seems okay, but it's nothing to do with the method. It's most likely conditional statement here. So let's say if n is greater than 0, return number 1, else if is equal to 0, return 0. The next one, it is not necessary, okay, to have if and less than 0, okay. So if you remove, it should be working, okay. So scope doesn't match for conditional statement. That's why you have the warning, okay, and then that may create a compiler error if you don't fix it. I think that's all for this case. So if you want to use method 2, which is double, then match, method number 1 in main methods, so they can pass integer, and then that's the 3.4, which is greater than 0, will return number 1. Okay, this one will return number 1. So that's it.